What's up guys, welcome back to Grunt Nation. Today we will be going over how to disassemble and reassemble the Heritage Rough Rider chambered in 22. So the first thing you want to do is make sure there is no round in the cylinder. And there's this little kind of rod that you push in and it releases this rod, and then this cylinder will just pop out. And then next you want to get a flathead screwdriver and go ahead and unscrew the hand grip, and that just pops off. And make sure when you are disassembling this that you keep track of where everything goes, because it'll get out of hand real quick. And then there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 screws to take these two components apart. Let's go ahead and start here. Let's take these down. And these will just pop right out. That should come off. And then watch out to not lose this spring. And then there's also another silver piece in there, so that all goes together. And then this will just slide right off. And then there are 2 screws right here. This one releases the hammer. When you pull the hammer out, this little piece will come along with it. So keep that together. And then this, the trigger screw. Some of these are a little rough to get out. You just gotta work with them. There goes the trigger. And then this down here, there's one more screw. 2 pieces will come out with this one, so don't lose that screw. And then there you go, that little piece. And then for the ejector, there's a screw up there. I'm gonna take that off, and then that just comes right off. There's a spring, the rod, and the screw. And there you go. Other than this safety coming off, I don't really care for taking that out. It is taken apart. Let's go ahead and put it back together. So you want to take the rod and the spring. That'll go together. And then that'll go in first. And then this will go right into there. Like that. Take that screw, put it back in there. All these are just hand tight, or at least that's what I do. And then let's go ahead and do the hammer. So this little part will squeeze right into here. It's like spring loaded almost. And then the hammer itself, there's a little notch in there and a hole right here that'll go together. And then it'll sit like that. And then you want to get the hammer screw, oh, wrong side. Hammer screw, line up the holes. Sometimes it takes a while, but you'll get it. And then you screw that one in. And then you'll use this piece, and that will set right in. Sorry, it'll set that way in there. Kind of squeeze this piece down in there, go at an angle, that will fit right down in there. There you go. And then this piece will go right on top of it. And this screw will go right here. This screw's a little rough. I always hate this screw. And then the trigger will just fit down in there. Oh, wrong way. Fit down in there. And you want to line up. So there's a hole in this piece, hole in that piece, and the trigger. And they will line up together to try and hold that piece in there and line up the trigger. And then once you think it's lined up, go ahead and grab that screw and kind of work your way in there. There we go. I think I got it. So before you put this on, remember to put this in prior, and then you want to put this silver piece in there, and then the spring, and then go ahead and screw everything on. And then whenever you get those screws in, you can go ahead and put these back on. And then you can go ahead and open that, put your cylinder back in, push this, put that rod back in. There we go. Once you get it all done, then you want to do a functions test. Make sure everything's working. Just go ahead and rack it back. Pull the trigger, go halfway, make sure the cylinder turns, make sure the ejector's working. And there you guys go. That is how you disassemble and reassemble the Heritage Rough Rider chambered in 22. Thank you guys for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions or comments, go ahead and comment down below. Make sure you subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.